Storm Kristin has battered parts of Portugal and Spain, leaving widespread damage, power outages and major disruptions to transport. Communities across the Iberian Peninsula are now facing a massive cleanup effort. In Portugal, more than 850,000 residents were left without electricity as fierce winds toppled trees, tore roofs from homes, blocked the roads and rail lines alike. The main highway linking Lisbon to the country's north, the highways were blocked by trees and debris. According to Portugal's emergency services, at least one person died when a tree fell on their car in Vila Franca de Xira on the outskirts of Lisbon. Civil Protection Services recorded over 3,000 incidents with gusts reaching 150 kilometers per hour, along with heavy rain and snow. At least 3 people were killed in Leiria, one of the hardest hit districts, which saw road signs being blown away, roofs of homes torn off, trees uprooted and streets littered with debris. Emergency crews worked to help locals salvage the belongings while engineers prepared to assess structural damage. Portugal's government called the storm an extreme climatic event and has gradually restored electricity to affected zones.
The building fell because we have things from up here, and the building over there also doesn't have a roof. Water started coming down inside the homes because even though we have boards, the tiles flew away and the metal sheets broke.
It was extremely violent. I don't remember ever experiencing anything like it. We're not used to this kind of thing. It's quite unsettling. Nobody slept at home last night. It was really scary. We could feel the bed shaking, and we ended up with part of the roof torn off and damaged cars.
After sweeping across Portugal, Storm Kristin pushed east into Spain, which is still reeling from the impact of Storm Joseph. Strong winds toppled a palm tree on Tuesday, killing a woman. By Wednesday morning, the storm brought heavy snowfall to Madrid, blanketing the city's mountain range and covering streets in Puerta del Sol. In other regions, cars, traffic signs and roads were buried under snow, leaving commuters stranded and public transport disrupted.
They've been talking about how it's going to snow for the past week, so it's obvious that they've done a great job preparing for it by putting out salt. I mean, I know that they're not going to spend tax money on plows because it's Spain, but I mean, salt is cheap.